Once my wife and I have had those conversations, what sort of things should we bring with us to the meeting?
Once you've done the inventory and had those discussions, it's important to bring that information with you to the meeting. What about my retirement account? What does our savings account look like? What do our houses look like? What kind of personal property do we have? What's the family heirloom that's important? And understanding the values of those different assets when you come is important. So bringing the income value, the fair market value, the debt value, that information is helpful to the estate planning attorney.
So when you're talking about values, how specific do I need to be in terms of the value of my property?
Yeah, rough numbers is sufficient in my opinion. You don't need it to the penny. The concept of getting values is to help the lawyer figure out where you might be on an estate tax scale. Most states have estate tax, the federal government has an estate tax, and having those values is important to allow the attorney to utilize the tools that are available for your personal information and your personal circumstances.
What if I don't have some of the specific information you're looking for? Should I reschedule my appointment or push it off?
Getting started is the most important thing. Get off and get going and get moving. So if you don't have all the information, go anyway. And then talk with them, because there's invariably going to be a time when you've got more questions that need to be answered, or the attorney's going to ask you questions that you're going to want to get information on or talk to your spouse about. So get started, get going, and you can always find the additional information.
How long does the process take to, once I've met with the attorney, to have my estate plan completed?
That's variable on the plan that actually gets created, depending on the level of sophistication, the tools used, and that sort of thing. It can go as quickly as a week, 2 weeks. It can take a while, depending on what needs to happen and what assets need to get moved where.
Thanks, and thanks for joining us on this next video in this series on estate planning. As always, please feel free to subscribe, comment, and like.
And if you want to learn more about our firm, check our website or look at us on LinkedIn, Instagram, or Facebook.